It's March the 15th and it is very windy today. It is sunny, however. Today marks the 10th month from my retirement at NMSU. The Afghan pine tree has grown quite a bit since it was planted in 1990. It is a haven for a lot of the birds in the area. It's 57 degrees here today, but it is sunny. I could hear the chatter of the birds, but I can't see them. They're probably hiding out because of the wind at 17 miles per hour. This is a very interesting heart-shaped cactus leaf. Spring is definitely coming. As you can see over here, the leaves of the cactus has gotten some new growth in it. I'm going to predict that some of these new growth will become flowers and others will be new leaves. When the day is windy like today at 17 miles per hour, I like to do indoor hobbies like quilting. What you're seeing here is my first quilt, which is a 16-patch quilt. This quilt has many memories in it because it has fabrics from my childhood outfits as well as my college outfits from undergraduate and graduate years. This quilt is a small one. This is a lap quilt and made for utilitarian use. Here's a close-up of the several types of fabrics that I used in one block. As sections of the lining wears out, what I do is mend that area that has the worn out space. I've kept this quilt because this is my first one and it holds so many memories for me. So I just keep on mending it every time a portion of it gets worn out. This section of the quilt is now needing some repairs. As you can see, some of the squares are now tattered. So today, in a very windy day, I am going to do some mending for this quilt to bring it to life again.